Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today I am in the beautiful northwest part of the Las Vegas Valley. I am visiting the estates at Lone Mountain. These gorgeous homes, only 9 total, are built by Templeton Development. There are only 3 semi-custom floor plans, just about 5,000 square feet. All in, you're about just about anywhere from about 3 to 3.5 million. I'm looking forward to showing you around, so let's get started right now. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, thank you so much for being here. And we're looking forward to showing you this gorgeous property. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas. And we would love to help you make your dream of living here in Las Vegas a reality. So as I mentioned earlier, these homes were all built by Templeton Development. Right now we're at 4378 Cameron Brook, and this gorgeous home is just under 5,000 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms total. Upstairs is the next gen, so I'm really excited to show you that. All of the primary bedrooms on all 3 floor plans, all of them offer a primary on the main floor. This home is kind of an industrial, modern, chic design, I would say, and it's priced at just about 3.3 million. Let's go take a look. Okay, so right away you notice just the level of construction. I love this door, this beautiful glass door. And then you walk into this impressive foyer. And then Peter, make sure you span around so everyone can see just how gorgeous this is. And what I love is the floors are beautiful. The ceilings have just a lot of detail as well. The light fixtures in here are absolutely stunning. And before we go any further, because the backyard is absolutely amazing, and Susan Marquez was very kind enough to open up all of these doors for me so we could get outside. So let's come on outside. And so what's very interesting about this particular builder, Templeton, is they build absolutely everything. So with most home builders, even with custom builders, you're going to still really have the backyard for something that you would need to do after close of escrow. Out here, with this particular developer, they do absolutely everything. So you get not only the beautiful home, but this gorgeous backyard. All of these home sites are on half-acre lots. So you really get, I mean, just an expansive amount of space. You have your pool in right at move-in. I mean, you really couldn't ask for anything better. And Peter, I just want to make sure you kind of show them how high this is, how amazing that looks. It just really has an incredible wow factor out here. And really just from the entry all the way out here, it's just a gorgeous home. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. So as I mentioned, out here at the estates at Lone Mountain, there are 3 floor plans. The one we are currently in is the Eclipse floor plan. That is the one. Here it is a 2-story, just about 4,500 square feet, up to about 5,000 square feet. Here you got 5,010 total. What's great about this floor plan is the primary and secondary bedrooms are here on the main floor, and then the next gen suite is upstairs, which I think is just a really nice flip of kind of the way I've seen things previously. So they have the Eclipse, the Spire, and the Virga, which is the single-story floor plan that they are also building out here as well. So this home does have granite countertops in here. You can see how beautiful they're done. The appliances, I know people like to know what the appliances are. So these are all Gen Air. So here you have your double ovens. And just to show you, because earlier I wanted to get a water out of the refrigerator, but if you come over here, instead of water, kind of see what kind of house this is, The only option I had was Corona or Stella Artois. And I figured maybe after I finish this video, it might be appropriate, but my son is saying no, so probably no. But it is a beautiful refrigerator. I love the appliances here as well. This is just a gorgeous cooktop. And this is really neat. I like how they're doing this now, is putting the microwave in different places. Here you have it down here, which I think is really clever. Kind of tucked away. Microwaves, I don't think are like the most beautiful appliance anyway. So I think sometimes, most houses have them here. I really like the new frontier of kind of putting them a little bit tucked away. And then look at this. This must be the dishwasher. Oh, wow. Look at the finish on that. That is really neat. I absolutely love that. You have a nice pantry in here. As you can see, it's very minimalist. So very little food. And then it leads over here to this gorgeous dining space. And as I mentioned earlier, the primary bedroom is on the main floor. So in all of the floor plans, whether they are 2-story or they do offer a single-story floor plan as well, obviously that would be on the main floor as well. But let's go take a look at those bedrooms right now. Okay, so here's your primary. I really love how this is done, even if you're looking at the doors, just the panels on the doors. I mean, just the attention to detail, all the fixtures, you're just talking like really high quality. And I just love how understated all of this is, but still really beautiful. I love the slider glass doors to the outside. I love that light fixture too, that fan is really pretty. Here you have a gorgeous fireplace. And I can't wait to show you the primary bathroom. It is absolutely stunning. And I love this little courtyard. So if you come over here, I've seen a lot of this with this particular builder, that they have these little courtyards out here. I really love it because I think one of the things that they're really trying to do is create indoor-outdoor spaces. So you just have this nice feel where the outdoors and indoors just kind of like seamlessly connect. Look at the finishes in here. This is granite as well. How gorgeous is this sink? And I've never seen, look at this. I've never seen anything like that. That is super cool. But of course the water doesn't work, but it's super cool. Okay, let's try this one. I got it. I figured it out. But how cool is that, right? I mean, I've just never seen a fixture like that before. That's super neat. Okay, so now over here, you have beautiful sunken tub. I love the rocks that surround it. This shower is gorgeous. That very minimalist feel. And then depending what you feel like doing, you can shower and then go outside and maybe shower again out here, because there is a shower out here as well. So, if you're into that, you have another shower. Let's go take a look at the next gen suite. I love this floating staircase, stunning. This is the office space. As I mentioned earlier, there are 9 home sites total, 3 floor plans. The HOA here is just about $180 a month to cover the landscaping and the gate. And then you have a choice of 3 interior home designs. So really kind of a semi-custom, definitely doesn't feel like a spec type property. Let's go now check out that beautiful multi-gen suite that's upstairs. All right, so I love these staircases, it's absolutely beautiful. The other home we're gonna go look at quickly after this one is a similar layout, but has different finishes. So it's really nice to see the difference that you can do the different ways you can do this same floor plan. Come upstairs here, you have this beautiful loft space. Just pan around, just see the view from these windows. I mean, that is absolutely amazing. And then I love from that second floor, you can see this out the back. You can really see all the mountains. Just so pretty. And then over here, you get a view of this gorgeous chandelier, and then just all the stonework at the front of the house. So what's really nicely done is just how the windows are placed, and just the overall architecture of the home really shows off how beautifully it's done. So come this direction. So now this I guess is done kind of like a movie room. Here they have a nice video of all the beautiful homes. That I believe is the Virga floor plan. That's the smaller floor plan. You have this beautiful balcony to the exterior. And then here is your bathroom. Oh, with a beautiful shower. I love that. It's just a really nice size shower. And then here is the bedroom. So this really lives like its own space up here. This is interesting because this is an older development, and you can kind of tell by the very Spanish style roofs. Also very beautiful, but definitely an older community, which is kind of funny. So this is the multi-gen suite on the upstairs of this particular floor plan. And again, I love these spaces here. They're absolutely beautiful. There are a total, again, of 9 home sites total. I'm going to show you one other one that is essentially the same floor plan, but let's go take a look. So we're going to walk over now to the other Eclipse floor plan. I know it's probably hard to capture how it's just so beautiful out here. If you can see the mountains behind me, it's just really stunning landscapes out here. It feels like you're really far out, but we're really not even that far away from Summerlin. I'd say we're maybe about 10 to maybe 15 minutes away from Summerlin at the most, but it just feels like a beautiful kind of remote desert feeling out here. But the fact is that you really truly are very close to everything over here at the 215 in Lone Mountain. Okay, we're gonna walk into this home. What I'd like to show right away is the split garage. How cool is that? So you have 2 garage space over here, 2 car bay garage, and then over here you have the other side. And I just love the entryway into this home. I just think it's really a standout feature of how this home looks. Now this home, again, is another half-acre lot home site, but the home site itself, this house is set a little bit further back. So you just have this really very impressive entry. And this home is similar, but not the same. So let's go take a look. So we are here again on the same street, Cameron Brook. Here, most notably, is the finishes are a lot different. This feels a little bit more rustic to me as far as how the finishes are done. This apparently is what Susan shared with me. This is actually Jerusalem stone. So look how beautiful that is. They also have these impressive slider doors, and they will have a pool back here as well. The lot on this end feels a little bit shorter, and I think it's just because this home is set a little bit further back, and you do have on this home site a little bit larger side yard as a comparison. But again, this home is available as well if you like these finishes a little bit better. This is something that we could talk about, and please make sure to get a hold of me through our website at thenewhomeexperts.com. So now I just want to show you the primary bedroom here because the finishes are a little bit lighter. So I love this Jerusalem stone. It is so beautiful. And I love from here, how cool is this, Peter? To be able to go out your door and then like right into your spa. I mean, that would be pretty nice, actually. I think I could get into that. And then I would love to show you the finishes here in the primary bathroom. The setup is pretty much the same, but the colors are a lot different, so it feels different. So here you have, again, this gorgeous, impressive outdoor shower component. Let's see if I can not spaz out on this. What? I did it. But this is beautiful. I love these finishes as well. I think I kind of like the light finish. You still have the black stone. I really like the contrast between the light and dark. And then of course you still have that beautiful shower as well. So same floor plan, and I think the developer specifically made all of the finishes a lot different, so nothing specifically was cookie cutter, and that they all felt a little bit different. So this home has a different configuration for the next gen suite upstairs. The front room here is pretty similar. You do get that beautiful view out your back window. Here you get another impressive view. Here you get a beautiful view of the front of the home as well. Of course, this home is not finished to the same level as yet. However, I have to say I kind of love this. Take a look at this. So come out here and look at this amazing deck. I mean, this is incredible. And from here, you can look over here, you just get this incredible mountain view. Just absolutely spectacular. All of these homes are just beautiful. I mean, it's such the epitome of a desert oasis, I guess is what I would call it. What do you think, Peter? That's a good way to put it, right? Yeah, I'm getting an agreement there. So this home is absolutely beautiful. If you'd like more information about the estates at Lone Mountain, please find those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.